Stadium Tracker is a proof of concept Android application and user-centered design project. Football fans have no application available to them on the market to track their stadiums visited whilst on the move. Stadium Tracker will provide them with the solution. The prototype compiles a library to display a GIF splash screen, which then launches the main activity featuring my content after 5 seconds. In this, Java is used to increase the value of a horizontal progress bar based on the number of checkboxes for said division. Here we have 20 teams displayed in a scroll view, which increase and decrease by a value of 5 dependent on the status of the checkbox. We also have a Maps button. This couldn't be functional despite the correct API keys, restrictions and Google libraries. The code failed 2 weeks before the deadline for an unknown reason, and instead the app now simply crashes. The idea here is that in the future, in connection with true value checkboxes, the map markers will be colour-coded in reference to if the user has visited said stadium or not. This can also be used to see nearby venues and events. The main part of my project was user-centered design, generating user interface visualizations of application interfaces for an Android device. Using UX principles, I set a consistent and recognizable model of pages, communicating visually with no bulky body text and no overwhelming information. The user is informed of actions by visual feedback. The design is consistent throughout with theme and interface elements, and for the first time whilst designing, I took into account and incorporated modal windows as a form of informational components and accordion containers. Using the green text as a basis for the application, my colour strategy directs attention towards important information. I would communicate with more navigational components if possible, potentially using sliders, for example altering text, and pagination over scroll view to go between stadia in each league. I hope we can begin to pull live information to alert the user of nearby events. Thank you for watching.